Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what I do with my noodles. And today we got, this came out of an umai crate. This is Yamamoto Seifun's spicy cheese Napolitan. And it looks like, yeah, 3 minutes. Easy peasy. I got some water boiling. Here's what you do. You probably will use the bowl, which is fine. You drop in your noodle block. Whatever you do, don't put this in there right now, and don't put this in there right now. And we got the noodles. And lid it. 3 minutes. Yeah, so tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I'm glad things are about done. I don't know. It's been a tough year, or at least the Christmas part of it, because I'm pretty broke. So I like getting stuff for Christmas, I'll admit it. But I really like being able to give lots of stuff for Christmas. I'm all about going overboard on gifts for others. So it's like, when I can't do that, it's really, really a bummer. And luckily, no, he's all, uh-oh! Django! But, luckily, I did get a little money today, so I was able to get some more things. And yes, it is the 23rd of December, but thankfully we have that magical wonder, Amazon, and so I was able to get stuff delivered. It'll be delivered tomorrow. Frickin' better be delivered tomorrow. And I got a couple things that won't be delivered tomorrow, but what can you do? So yeah. Honestly, see, since I really, really don't care about presents that I get, I mean, honestly, if I didn't get anything for Christmas, I would be absolutely shattered, right? But, you know, I have to be able to get people presents, or else I am not happy. So, yeah. It'll be well. All will be well. Yeah. Hi, Miles. Oh, Miles is looking at the timer. Louder. Can you see him? He's counting. 85, 33, 30, 29. It probably looks funny to him from there. So yeah, got about 20 seconds until this is done, and Miles will count every single second because he is a master counter. Do you like to count?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Thank you, Miles. I'll just have to get you to do the counting next time. Skip the timer. You just do the counting, okay? Yeah! Happy little boy. it's cool. They're both a little more attuned to the concept of Christmas this year, so they're pretty excited about the doings and conspirings going on currently. It's like we've got all these presents that came in the mail, and of course they have to all be wrapped. So it's like he likes to get up after, so we'll put him down to go to sleep, and then we've got maybe 45 minutes to an hour, and he comes out like in a zombie state and then passes out on us. It's usually while we're having our dinner. So she was quick about it last night. I am absolutely the worst when it comes to wrapping presents. I'll show you some of my handiwork. I bet you're gonna say, oh, it's not so bad. That's not so bad, the Ramen Raider. Please, you should see how my wife wraps presents. It's like the frickin' Sistine Chapel of package wrapping, I swear. So it's got this sauce. Smells like a spicy tomato thing. Doesn't seem to be... I have a feeling what's going to be the deal with this is that it's going to be... There'll be a flavor of tomato, but it's just not going to... It's just not going to get everywhere it needs to get. But I could be wrong. It smells very strongly of tomato. Miles is pretending to sneeze. He's perfecting his fake sneeze over there. We got that, and then we got this. This is the cheese. It shows on the instructions stirring it in, but if it's like Parmesan cheese, I don't know, that's kind of cheesy. And it is. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'll plate it and then pour a little on it and try to get a bite off while I'm the plated finished product. So you should be able to see that. And here's our Napolitan. Basically our instant noodles with spaghetti sauce. Here's our cheese stuffings. Wow, they don't really give you a lot of cheese there, do you? Gosh. Okay, let me get a little bit of noodle here. I don't usually like to take a bite off of a plate where I'm plating, but there's a little cheese on it. It does have a little bit of heat to it. I really wish there was more cheese going on here. The lack of cheese is... Oh, it's very sweet. It's a very sweet dish. Which, I mean, honestly, I like it. It's basically instant noodles with spaghetti sauce on it. But it's good. I think maybe, I know it normally would be bay leaf or basil, but I'm gonna put a little sprig of mint here, cause I'm a nut job. But there we are. let's let Rotato do its magic with the classical music. There you go. I don't want to hear that one. Let's go fast forward a little bit and see what happens. There we go. Miles, what are you doing? That's a big no. Well done. He was getting on my swivel chair in front of the computer and messing with things. Doesn't he know? I've told him. Yeah, check him out over there. He's all like, is he watching? Is he watching me? Is he watching what I'm doing? Oh, can you even see him? Yeah, he's messing with stuff. Well, this isn't bad. And this came from a new my crate. You can go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRater for a discount. And for those of you who somehow didn't know, go to www.theramenrater.com. That's the main place where my reviews end up. That's my website. Well, I think a lot of you think that I just have a YouTube channel, but I need to change that thinking because I spend all my life and time on that website, mainly. This is the easy part. This is the fun part. Anyways, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.